Welcome
Thank
back.
you.
That's great. So, keeping all these points in mind, prepositions, I know you will be focusing on the answer, but still, it should happen parallelly. We are going to continue with the next session, that is spirituality.
Okay.
What is spirituality for you as a person?
Spirituality is when a spiritual need not to be a spiritual person need not to be religious.
Need not be, not need not to be, need not be.
Need not be.
Correct.
Uh, Spirituality and religious is completely different. Spiritual person do not follow any religion or
Okay.
maybe not
Not overtly religious. Need not be overtly religious. They could be religious, but not giving so much of importance to the religion. It's more of spirituality.
yes, and religious spiritual person who believe in some superpower, not like worshipping or doing some rituals kind of thing.
Okay. Okay.
And spiritual person consider whole universe as uh, one, like
Okay.
not this and that, because I've seen spiritual people and that's why I'm talking
Okay.
from my experience. And spiritual people, they don't believe in rituals and
Yes,
other
very correct. Okay.
other things. And they more believe in selflessness, service to humanity,
Mm-hmm.
serve animal and human being as possible. uh, uh, Sorry,
Good.
in your capacity. So
Okay.
it's so
So
spiritual.
within your capacity, from your capacity, you need to do all these things. Now they more believe, they believe more.
Okay,
They
they
believe
believe.
more. So that is where you need to think. Think in the sense, take 2 seconds to order it. Okay,
Yes.
bring the order. Okay. Be one's spiritual home. Today's idiom. Be one's spiritual home. Do you agree with this? Being one's spiritual home. That is,
I cannot
you are
understand.
your spiritual home. Like instead of going to a temple, it is instead of going to a mosque or church, you find that oneness or you find that superpower in yourself. Not superpower, that what to say, power, the eternal power within yourself. You don't have to go elsewhere. So
I can't
being one's
agree
spiritual
more.
home.
I can't agree more. I believe if uh, one has that faith or belief, no need to go anywhere. Everything is within you or
Yes,
the people
yes,
around
exactly.
you. If you want to do something, you can help people around. If one want to help, they can help people around. The people who
Good.
are under that, they were different kind of people. They had supreme powers or above humanity. They were something different, so they don't need it. They
Okay,
taught us to help others,
okay, okay,
spread
okay.
happiness or whatever you have, help people. We have only one life and we are not going to take all the things with us. So instead of donating into the temples or mosque or anywhere, we can help those people. So I thought that yes, no need to go anywhere. Universe is within us, so
Okay,
no need to go anywhere,
that's
and
great.
whatever we want we can
Okay.
achieve.
Okay, so finding everything within yourself. So that is like, would you call yourself a guide when you're finding everything within yourself? So who will be the guide for a spiritual person?
uh,
Especially, for example, when there is a chaos, when there is confusion, who will be the guide? You have to somehow come out of it.
I think we are the guide for ourselves. Just to keep silence and introspect.
Okay.
During introspection, we get answer of many questions.
Answer too many questions.
answer to many questions.
Okay, okay. So introspection. Okay, that's great. So because you mentioned that, here comes.
Meditate.
So these days people say, I meditate, I do meditation, I do meditation. Um, and meditation is like you sit in some place and sit like this. Is that meditation, or can you meditate even with your eyes open? What is meditation actually? So
One
yoga
can
people
one can
meditate. Yeah.
one can meditate with open eyes as well, but it needs uh, a huge amount of practice or experience, because our
Okay.
eyes are the window of everything we can see, and it can distract our mind, so it's better to close the eyes,
Okay. Okay.
feel the things, and let uh, um, thought come thought comes in your mind. Otherwise, if you keep your eyes open and you are looking somewhere, oh there is dust, oh there is web or
Yes,
something.
yes, that is
Yes,
possible. So with practice, maybe you can keep your eyes open where you focus very, experts or people have got experience. Otherwise, shutting down the window, because it is the window to so many things, shutting down the closing the window,
yes,
and then not shutting down because your mind should be at work. You shouldn't
yes,
sleep off,
yes.
shouldn't sleep off and fall down. So that is there. Good. So it is a form of purification. Can I call it a form of purification? Does it
Of
purge and
course,
purify?
yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Okay. So even we have rituals in every religion. Every faith will have rituals. And they say, why do you have these rituals? To purify? Like fire. Fire is symbolic of purification. Fire is so pure.
Yes,
It can create and can destroy also, both.
yes.
So when it comes to rituals, of course, spiritual people, they do not focus on rituals. Then without these rituals, how can a spiritual person be purified? How can the person get purified?
Hello,
Yes,
can you
yes, I can hear you. Parkat.
hear?
It was a nice conversation, and suddenly the villain came. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so without the ritual, spiritual people do not give much importance to rituals. But rituals are for purification,
Yes.
purging, purgation, and things like that. So when it comes to purification, how does a spiritual person purify without the ritual?
um a spiritual
Get
person
purified
purify by meditating,
through
and
meditation. Okay.
their main motto is serve humanity.
Okay.
As far as
Yes.
I've seen, those people, they don't believe in other things, but I have seen few videos of Sadhguru. You may know
Yes.
him.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Who will not know him, Sadhguru? Yes.
I follow him. So he talk about fire purification, air purification, like water. And in our culture also, when little babies cry, my mother will take one paper lit, and she'll do
Lighted.
that all things.
Yes, yes.
So means she believe in it, and I thought that it's good. There is nothing harm, or we are not doing some superstitious things. So I think it's okay to believe in that kind of things, because we are not doing some what can I say, tantra mantra kind of things,
No,
or
it's not that. It's more of creating the ambience, having an aura, spreading good energy.
yes.
Yeah, because fire is pure.
Fire is pure, and after listening to his video, I go to my terrace, and I just get that pure air also. It's air
Yes,
purification.
yes. Good, good. So concentration. Concentration is more than focusing. So then comes the soul. All these things are there, soul. And we all have different beliefs in such things. Lesson, the first word, and the second word is advice.
Advice.
So one thing is, first question is, after watching so many things, like we are in this country, the great Bharat, okay, we all are Indians, and we are a mix of so many things. We have got everything. So you are in northern part of India, I'm in southern part of India, but I've got little bit of you in me, you have got a little bit of me in you. It's like that. It's all interconnected.
Yes.
What is that one lesson that you have learned after watching all the havoc connected with religion, connected with caste system, discrimination, and all that? What is that one takeaway lesson that you have learned after your observation?
um, for last 5 to 6 years, I have developed understanding. Whatever we do, whatever we follow, what is our caste, our religion, or it is, there is a superpower who has created us as a one,
Yeah.
and we all are part of each other, and
Yes.
that superpower created us. So we have divided countries, caste, religion, and everything, but he has
Yeah.
created that beautiful earth.
Yeah. As one,
Yes,
where you have little bit of everybody in everyone.
yes,
So
because
you
we
have
all
everything.
are created from same energy.
Yes, same energy. Yes, that's very important. Same energy. And then advice. So, in order to stop all this confusion, in order to prevent such kind of unnecessary tremors, what is the advice that you will give to the upcoming generation? Because we have made this mistake and still the mistake is on. We haven't rectified. So, what is that one advice that you will give to the upcoming generation?
Giving advice to someone is very difficult task in this age.
Because we need to practice and we need to set the, yeah,
Yes.
we need to manifest it.
I'll give an advice if it's compulsory. First, become a good citizen and global citizen instead of I'm a citizen of India, this country, that country.
Yeah.
You're a global
Okay.
citizen, and
That's great.
think
Then
from
the
that
rest
point.
will follow. The rest will fall
Yes,
in place after that. Because
yes,
when you are a responsible citizen, you have to be a good human being. You have to do good for others. Everything falls in place. Yes. Mindfulness is something similar to presence of mind, but still mindfulness, being mindful of your language, of what you say, what you do, what you are.
yes,
Everything is important. Being careful,
yes. Conscious kind of thing.
consciousness, transformation. So spirituality can transform. Religion can also transform, but there is a very big difference, the transformation that happens.
Yes. Religion can transform person. You are of this caste, I'm of this caste. You do this thing, I do this thing, so we are different, and after all eventually they feel that we are enemy or we are different
So
people.
when the discrimination comes, religion is bad. Otherwise, religion is okay to an extent. So when that barrier is set, saying you
I
don't
think
come here, I don't
more
go
of
there.
one thought mm, come in my mind. uh, the locality we are living, we are mixed people of all caste, like
Yes,
Maratha, Brahmin, Muslim. We
wherever
are,
you go. Yeah.
whenever we have function, we invited them, they come, they eat happily everything at our place.
Yes.
And when they have function, we go to their home. Somebody dies, we go to their home. Something happen at night, late night, we help each other. That time we don't think about caste and religion
Yes,
and
very
anything.
much, very much,
But
very
when
much.
election comes or something happen, then all those things.
Problems with property, problems with land and all, then religion will come, then
Yes,
humanity will come for the wrong reason,
yes.
for all the wrong reasons, and
So
questions will come.
I think it's more our politicians are following rule of that Britishers, divide and rule.
Yeah, a lot of things. It is like when people take it for the wrong reason,
Yes,
when people implement it for their selfish needs, that is when politics, that is when religion, that is when everything becomes a problem. The existence itself is threatened, right? So I felt as if I was listening to a spiritual class. We went so deep, and I thought we would, by the end of the session, we both will sit like this. It is really nice, no, to talk out such things because usually we don't open up such topics. But these days, I have noticed, especially after the pandemic, I should say that people have become more sensible when it comes to religion, politics. at least the people,
Yes.
irrespective of their whatever you are, caste or wealth or whatever status you are, people have become sensible, telling it's just one life that we are living, and that too a very short life.
Yes. Yes.
And how we shiver at the face of corona, right? A spiked small cute little thing, and how it trembled the whole world, how it made the whole world tremble. It's a
Yes.
big lesson for humanity.
Yes.
And people are running up and down to overpower, to show that they are strong, to show their dominating, dominance over others. Such things could be avoided. War and peace, yes.
And people realize that how much wealth or power or whatever they have, nothing can help them when their time comes.
Yes, actually, it cannot help. It's true, especially during natural calamities,
Calamities. Yes.
because that's when you will call all the gods, whatever it is. You will, like how you said, you will not say, okay, I will not go into the mosque, I will not go into the temple or church because it is for so and so. No, you seek refuge wherever there is something, where there is humanity or where there is help.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just make you read a few words, okay? Give your best pronunciation. Now it's time for pronunciation. Now, coming to today's topic, I'll just give you the quick feedback. During and in, those are some of the mistakes, okay? Instead of in, during, instead of
Yes.
during, it's in. And past tense, two, three places.
Okay.
Was, went. Instead of telling was there, you said was, went, which is
Okay.
wrong. Okay, so like that. Maybe you didn't focus. That is why it just popped up like that. Now we are going to read these green cards
Somewhere.
somewhere.
Strong.
What do you believe is the strength of a human being? What is the strength of a human being, according to you?
I think kindness is the strength of human being. If someone is kind, people around us are kind, all problems will be solved.
Okay, very good. Okay. So now the next word is,
Sure.
so
Sure.
when you're sure,
Sure. Sure.
shore. Okay. Seashore, seashore. Okay. So now this is the shore. You know what is a shore, right? Very near to land. You have got the ocean, which is so deep. Imagine that you are caught up in this ocean. That is everybody. Humanity is caught up in the middle of ocean, which is so dangerous. You have got the whirlpools, you're going to sink. Now, what is the next thing? You want to find the shore because you need to see some land
Yes.
and be saved. Okay. Now, just now you told me that people should be kind. That is a strength of a human being. That is a strength of humanity. Now, when everybody is sinking, you're looking out for the shore so that you get at least a log of wood or some sign of land. How far are we from this shore of kindness? Suppose you see the shore as kindness. When you retrospect your locality, or when you retrospect the whole of humanity, how far are we from the shore of kindness? How much more we should go?
I think it depends. It's individual thing of everybody.
Okay. Okay.
Some people are like they are miles away from kindness. They are behind only money.
Okay.
And middle class family, I think middle class family, they are kind enough. At least they have that mentality to help others. And
Okay.
other part of society, they are struggling with their own problems. So we can't expect from them.
Okay. Good. Okay. Read this word.
Session, season,
Good. Season, session,
special.
special. Okay. Session, season, special. Anything coming to your mind? Season, special, session.
Today we talk about climate and environment and season.
Yes. During the session, we spoke about season, climate, environment.
Yes, and my sessions are so special because I'm getting my favorite tutor to teach me.
Because I always wait for my favorite tutor to teach me to have a conversation. Okay, good. The last question.
Hunger.
One of the main problems that we face as Indians, yeah, and what are some of the things that we could do as a responsible citizen, not just we collectively, to at least reduce the hunger-stricken areas in India, so that at least they get
I think
basic
instead
food.
of providing them only food or mm, doing something for them, right now we will have to do, but for their coming generations, educate them, facilitate them with the employment. So no need to
Okay,
do something; they'll do themselves.
just facilitate instead of
Facilitate
providing it directly. You need to
employment,
facilitate.
education, and kind of thing.
Okay, okay. So these two, okay, they are
Smart,
not smart and
fear.
fear. Can you connect these two in any way? It's weird, but still.
Yes,
we-
I would love to connect those two things. Uh, I have fear of few things, but I don't let anyone to know that I have fear in my mind. So I try to act smartly in that situation.
I don't want anybody else to know about it, so I tackle the situation in a very smart way. Good.
Smart.
Excellent. Only you can do this, Shaheen. Great. Okay. So you have any questions? We are coming to the last 3 minutes. Any
No, I don't
clarification,
have.
general clarification?
I think I am the only student who don't ask questions.
Many of them don't ask any questions, but some of them will have a lot of questions. You'll write down and come. I'm
Okay.
happy. So I'm presuming that you have understood everything.
Yes, I have
Okay, so
understood everything. That's why I don't have questions.
yeah, so I understood. But I understood
I
everything.
understood.
Yeah. What is it that you would like to write about for the next class? Write or
Whatever,
perform, anything.
whatever you give.
Okay. Smartness and fear. No, that is still that is still working in my mind. Let me connect that. Smart and fear.
Okay.
You should think of a situation or create a situation. Exactly. You don't have to tell me about yourself. Either you think or you talk about a situation that was for real in your life